Hey, HFIC folks, I got another question. This question was, how do I embed a link into an image? So say you have an article that you want your students to go out to, or there's a video on a web page that doesn't have an embed code. Oftentimes with articles that I'm using from Women's Wear Daily, I'll take a screenshot of the article and then have them click on the link. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Okay, first step is to insert your image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert Image. Of course, you can always use the tools down here as well. You can use these down here, but I don't know, old school. So Insert Image. I'm going to take an image I already have in this course to have some things uploaded. Let's take the fabulous Diane Carroll, add her to the picture. I'm going to make her smaller. Make the image smaller. So I just drag the corner and then I'm going to center her as well. Whenever I have something that I want the students to click on, I always make sure I tell them, click on the image below to go to the, to the video, right? So video, article, web page, wherever I want them to go, okay? Then the next step is I go ahead, I click on the image, and I go back to insert, and I'm going to insert the link. Well, first I got to go get the link, right? So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this YouTube video. YouTube always has an embedded link, but say, for instance, you're using a video that doesn't have an embedded link. You would just go to share and go to copy that link, right? So copy the link, and then go back to the image. Oops. Insert, and it's an external link, so go ahead and click external link, type the paste the link, hit done, and you'll see it turns orange for a second, and then that's how you know that the link has been inserted. So I'm going to save this page, and I'm going to take you there. That was my last tab. So on that last tab, that's where I put her. Yeah, I put the fabulous Diane Carroll here, and if you click here now, you see the hand icon, and if I click it, it's going to take me over to that link. Okay, so that works for anything that you link to a picture. So like I said, if it's an article, it's another web page you want them to look at, it's a chart from someplace else, that's how you embed an image into a link. You embed a link into an image. All right, I hope that helps. Guys, keep the questions coming. These are good ones. Thanks.